See what this person said about this issue. What do you think? What do you think? Just listen to what he said about this issue and tell me what you think in the comment section.
I think why Igbos think they are marginalized is because they are so cheap to buy in the markets. When something is cheap, they feel marginalized. Tell me one Yoruba major person wey dey jail now. Even Sunday Igboho is out. Tell me one Hausa northerner or Fulani wey dey jail now. We be strong, activist or whatever you want to call it. None. Even the bandits where they kidnap, where they do everything, they still get person where they speak for them. Gumi, he go still speak, say my people, give them education. Now why they be like this? He go still stand for his people. But the Igbos, tell me one politician in Igbo land that you can compare with Tinubu. One, just one. They are not even like this. Everybody scatter. Everybody want money. So, and they come out, they say, we are marginalized. Marginalize my foods when now cash and carry life. What a tribe. What a tribe. That is it. It is what it is. The way you lay your bed, now so you go lie on it. I'm not being tribalistic, but I'm just trying to let you know the gospel truth of life. When you are affordable, you turn to commodity that anybody can buy. You can see how they do now. My brothers don't they put the cap. Majority don't sway. Hey, now money they there, protection they there. I don't call. But my own tribe, you see how many Yoruba they talk self, apart from me. Majority of Yoruba think say Omali self na here. Or because I believe in what I believe in, and I believe in a better Nigeria. So I'll keep fighting for my country. But the Igbos, as a tribe, every man for himself, God for us all. Every man, every Igbo man for himself, God for them all.